Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulbs. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now replacing the turn signal light bulbs is quite easy on these vehicles. First I will show you the passenger side. You will see this black socket right here. All you have to do, you have to turn it counterclockwise. Okay, I will turn the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So just turn this counterclockwise like this and pull it out. Okay, and that's it. That's your light bulb. And now I will show you the driver's side as well. So it's gonna be the same thing, right? You have the socket here, just turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Pull out the bulb and install the new bulb, and that's it. To install it back, you just insert it and turn it clockwise and lock it in place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.